coasters. No coasters. Right, let's slow it down a bit. With no coasters. And now we drinks and smokes with no coasters. With no coasters. Check. Sympathetic was a rare case. He used to just visit, but now she's helping me bring items up the staircase. And when they reach the top, she's all out of breath. Yeah, she can't help but think about the items already left, convincing herself as he's asking for the double A's. This is only temporary, just for a couple days. Yet there's no way that I can see this brother back on the street, and I'm only helping him out till he gets back on his feet. Sweet. One week, coming to a close, she walks in the door, asking him, hey, how did it go? He looks at her kinda crazy and says, oh, the interview, I didn't get it. But yo, it's cool, cause what I'm finna do, it's called the 10th. I hear they play some people up the highway. She says you better hurry cause it's 5 and Friday. She says you better hurry cause it's 5 and Friday. He says, well, I'ma call on Monday, first thing in the morning, because it doesn't make no sense for me to call. They're gone. She says, yeah, you right, I hope you really get it. He says, me too, I know that this is something I'd be good at. I got experience, but yet these people telling me that they don't wanna hire me because I got a felony. But anyway, my sister said that she needed that clean. Can I borrow your car to go and grab a couple things? I gotta get my movies and I gotta get my cell. It's still at my sister's, and yo, you could try to sell it, and some of my mail is missing, which I think it's kinda weird. Would you mind if I just told him to send it over here? Well, I guess so, but don't let no one else know. Any way I can help, my keys are up on the shelf. You might need to get some gas, so here, take a little cash. Just bring me back something sweet and you can grab yourself a beer. 1 year suddenly passes. Now she wipes up the ashes from his buddies with grass, cigarette butts and liquor with not much in the glass, and not really wanting to touch nor throw the Dutch in the trash. See, but him and his company, they had a blast last night. Even though she had to work early, it would last past light. Life then slipped her with Mickey, because it often seemed that he would be a royal prince. He'd be the man of her dreams, but the man of her dreams, who's in the candle of dreams, gotten sicker cause he couldn't handle his liquor. It seems that he doesn't carry his load, but does what he's supposed to. He only drinks and smokes with no coasters. And now he drinks and smokes with no coasters. And now he drinks and smokes with no coasters. Hip hop, the heavy to the hip, to the hip hop, and you don't stop the rock. Hip hop, the heavy to the hip, to the hip hop, and you don't stop the rock. Hip hop, the heavy to the hip hop, and you don't stop the rock.
Shine is now in the building. Follow Shines140 on Twitter.
He thinks he's deep. He thinks he's deep. I'm telling you, he thinks he's deep. Come on. He does.